To render an image, we first need to set up our camera. By default, Blender will set one camera for you. But if you delete it, simply hit Shift-A and select Camera to create a new one. Then, press period to go to the camera perspective. Click on this arrow button to bring out the View option tab. And make sure you select the View tab on here. And then, click Lock Camera to View. Now, select the object that you want to focus, and hit period on your keyboard. Adjust your camera to the way that you want for the final render. Uncheck Lock Camera to View, and scroll up to enlarge the camera. Now, click on here to go to the Rendered Viewport. And then, go to the Render Properties tab. For the render engine, select Cycle for better result. And if your system support dedicated GPU, choose GPU for the device type. On here, we can adjust the total sampling. Sampling on viewport will determine how much sampling or calculate, while in the viewport mode and render sampling will determine for the final render. Higher value will result in better quality, but slower render. I find 150 for the final render is still good enough. Now, go to the Output Properties tab. On here you can adjust the final resolution for your image. Render region will only show in the rendered image on the camera region. This will help you to work smoother in the viewport mode. Here, you can select your final image format. For this tutorial, we will stick with the PNG format. I find it's better to uncheck the overwrite function. Last time I accidentally render new animation in viewport mode, and all one night rendering are gone. But you can choose according to your preference. Here, you can choose where the final image will be stored after finish rendering. Now, go to the Render tab, and select Render Image. Or you can use shortcut by pressing F12. Blender will automatically open up new window to render the image. Now, save the image to any folder that you want. Rename the image and click Save as Image.